Hey, I'm Lauren Beck. I'm super excited to dive a little deeper and show you some techniques that I use with my Crayola adult coloring products. Now we're moving on to a technique that uses a white acrylic marker to add little pops and shine to our already colored piece. As I'm working on creating my artwork with my color blends and details with the alcohol markers, I'm actually really thinking about where I might place these white acrylic marker details. So I'm pretty happy with how this looks, but since this is glassware, I think adding a little pop of white is going to make it look really shiny and awesome. So I'm incorporating my acrylic marker, and I am using the type that has a brush tip, so I can get very fine details with the very, very teeny tip. So I'm coming in here, and along these edges, I'm gonna add some white. And I don't want to add too much. I just want to see where there's opportunities to make a little bit of the artwork pop. Little dots or lines really make an impact with this acrylic marker. And you don't have to be realistic with it. Just adding any sort of special touch to make it your own will really create a unique piece of artwork. I usually start with a little less than what I think I need and take a step back, take it all in, and then decide if I need any more. Adding too much white, it can get overwhelming. And that's the technique of using alcohol markers first, then adding the acrylic markers second to add those little pops of color. Have fun experimenting and happy creating.